I'm checking out the ThisWorks Car Vacuum Cleaner by Power Practical, a tethered 12V mini vacuum designed for interior car detailing. Unlike cordless models, this one plugs into your car's power outlet, cigarette lighter, and uses a 16 feet (around 5 meters) cable to reach all parts of your car. It comes with 3 attachments: a flat nozzle, an extendable tube, and a brush head, plus a spare HEPA filter, cleaning brush, and a carry bag. Its motor is rated at 106 watts and is claimed to use cyclonic suction to remove dust, crumbs, pet hair, and more from tight areas. The design is compact and lightweight, about 2.4 pounds (1.1 kg) for easier handling. One thing many users appreciate is the practicality. You won't have to worry about charging or battery life. It just runs as long as your car battery or power source allows. The long cable gives you the freedom to reach rear seats or trunk areas. On the downside, being corded means you must stay fairly close to the power source and you'll always have the cable to manage. The suction is decent for a 12V unit, and the included HEPA filter is washable, which helps maintain performance over time. Some users say it works well for daily light cleanup, though it may struggle with heavier debris or thick carpet messes. If I shot this in a vlog, I'd start by showing the kit contents, then plug it into the car and walk around vacuuming inside mats, crevices, seat seams, and comparing how it handles pet hair versus crumbs. I'd show the cable length in action, e.g. reaching the back seats, and also take the unit apart to show filter removal and cleaning. As a highlight, I'd compare it to a cordless model side by side, showing the trade-offs between power, convenience, and runtime. All said, ThisWorks' 12V car vacuum is a solid, reliable option if you prefer not managing battery lifespan or recharging. Just plug and play. It's particularly useful for those who clean their car regularly and want something that's always ready. But if you prefer cordless freedom or higher suction, other options may be more attractive. We share by links in the description box.